How to add your own music to Instagram post. Since Instagram does not give you any option to upload your own music, to use our own music, here we need to follow a trick. We need two Instagram accounts to do this. Here is the first account and here is the second account. We'll start with the second account. Now open the second Instagram account. Tap the plus icon. Select your music file. Tap next. Press the next again. Your post is ready to publish. Tap share to publish it. Wait a second to upload the post. Now tap on the post. Select your first account to share the file. Tap on send. Now switch to your first account. Tap the message icon. Open the chat. Now play the file. Tap on the music at the bottom right corner. Make it favorite. Go back to your home. Tap plus icon. Select the photo. Tap next. Tap on audio. Press on saved. Now you can see your own audio here. To use this, tap on this. Tap the arrow button. Tap next. Your post is ready to share with your own music. Now tap on share. That's it.